Hey, so one of the biggest questions that I get sometimes when talking about my software, Cha-Ching Automate, which automatically moves people's Amazon influencer videos from Amazon directly to YouTube, the easiest way possible, is how do I not duplicate videos? Maybe you've already uploaded a bunch of videos, done it manually for a while, or maybe you're just concerned about the software itself duplicating videos. So you have those kinds of questions. So I want to show you real quick how to not duplicate videos, maybe that you've manually uploaded, or even just going forward using the software to make sure that you don't duplicate videos that way either. So here's the software, Cha-Ching Automate. And what I want you to do is go to Run Now right here. There's a drop-down menu right here. You're going to click Selective Upload. And the first time that you open this, you're going to click the blue button down here called Scan for Videos. It's actually to scan all of your storefront, all of your Creator Hub pages. And anytime that you come back to this and need to do it again, you'll click that same button because it's going to refresh. Not refresh, that's the wrong word. Refreshing, there's another button for refreshing that's actually going to scrap the old list and start over. This one will just incrementally add any videos that you've uploaded since doing the last time and add those to the list. So, but what it's doing is basically making a list of all the videos you've uploaded to Amazon, and now it's just incrementally updated that list for me just now because I clicked that button again. But the first time it'll go through the whole thing and make that list the first time, and it shows me what videos I've uploaded using the software. So that way the program knows not to upload those videos again. So going forward, any uploads, whether you use this feature yet or not, my software knows what videos it has uploaded because it has this list in the background. So it knows not to duplicate those again. Now, if I know I have uploaded some of these manually, maybe going back a while, say page 4 or so, and I know that starting on page 4 of my Creator Hub, I haven't uploaded any of these videos via my software, Cha-Ching Automate, but I know that I've uploaded some of them perhaps manually. So I could just very simply click a few of these and say, I know I've uploaded that one manually, I know I've uploaded that one manually, I know I've uploaded that one manually. And I can just click the ones that I've already uploaded. And now when my software gets to those in terms of sequentially going through and making sure that it's all your Amazon videos have been uploaded to YouTube, it's going to skip those because you've already uploaded them manually. So that way you can very easily say, I've already done those, and it's not going to duplicate them as it uploads those in the future. So just wanted to let you know that there is a way to mark all those manually so that you can very easily say you're not going to duplicate any videos. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Hey, once again, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.